Come whip it with me, 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 come whip it with me. Shea the lady, whipping all the sauce, 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 whipping all the sauce. What up, butter babies? This is Shea Butter Lady here, and today I'm going to go over some pendulum. Basically, what a pendulum is, how it works, how to utilize it, and some basic things you need to know for beginners. Check it out. The pendulum is not a new invention. It's been used for thousands of years. In ancient China, it was used to deter and chase away evil spirits and determine where they came from. The ancient Egyptians used the pendulum to determine the best places to grow their crops. In the early part of the 19th century, Francisco, an Italian, started using it to find water and minerals underground. In the early part of the 20th century, the pendulum enjoyed a reassurance of popularity when it was marked as a sex detector. The pendulum should be suspended over the pregnant woman. If the pendulum moves in a circular direction, the unborn child will be a girl. And if the pendulum moves in a straight line, the child will be a boy. The pendulum has been proven useful in many times at war. The Germans used dancers to follow the movement of the British warship during the Second World War. There were many accounts of the soldiers in the Vietnam War using the pendulum to help locate hidden mines and underground tunnels. They were using identical techniques that the primitive shamans used thousands of years ago. So how you operate a pendulum is very simple. You want to make sure that you are sitting or standing with your legs uncrossed. Having your legs crossed can confuse the energy. It is closing off the answers that you need to have, so you want to make sure you have an open stance. If you are sitting down, you want to make sure that your elbow is either on a table or a secure placement. When holding the pendulum, you want to make sure that it's in between your finger and your pinky. Your palms should be face down, and it should either swing in a left and right position, up and down, or in a circular motion, either clockwise or counterclockwise. Do not ask questions that pendulum cannot give you the answer to. It has to be yes or no answers, so that way you can gain clarity. The pendulum works with your subconscious mind. Basically, the muscles respond unconsciously, and this is called the idometer response. Your body can respond in this way, and it's very, very faint movements that your body is giving out, or frequencies that your body is giving out to utilize or move the pendulum to sway it to provide you answers. So everything that you're asking is already within you. So I'm about to show you how you can use your own body as a pendulum. Because again, all these answers are within you. Just make sure you're standing straight. Normally we'll have your hands to your side. And I want you to see my feet, so that's why I'm holding my dress. Do I have unresolved anxiety? Did y'all see that? Do I have unresolved trauma in my heart? Yeah, do I have unresolved trauma in my heart? Oh, shit. So, look. Apparently, I got some things I got to clean up, okay? So, that's how you can use your body as a pendulum. You're going to sway back and forth. All right, so here is a chart that I have. No is normally up and down. Yes is normally left or right. If it goes in circle, it's normally deciding or changing direction. It's thinking. It's either I don't know, or you might need to rephrase to get a better, clear understanding. So you need to be mindful as well, because you can manipulate the pendulum with your mind. So I'm going to think a rotation. I'm going to want it to actually rotate clockwise. And if you see here, what is it doing? All right, I'm going to think counterclockwise, and it should start slowing down. and move the other direction. I wish this camera could show you my fingers because I am not moving my hand at all. So it's still going clockwise. Again, I'm going to think counterclockwise. I'm honestly going to look at it and think a different direction. It's taking a minute. There it goes. So now it's going in the opposite direction. Okay? So I'm going to ask Pendulum something simple. I am a boy. You see there? I am not a boy, okay? I am a girl. So look, there you go. It's going hard. I am not a boy. So now I'm going to ask it a different question just so you can see you to go into a different direction. I am a girl. Okay? Now, if you notice, it's starting to go to rephrase. Looks like it's adjusting to yes. I am a girl. Well, you know what? I'm a woman. How about that? Look how it swings harder. You see what I'm saying? I am a woman. Facts. All right. So this is just some simple ways just to test your pendulum. When it comes to mastering the pendulum, there's a certain couple of things that I will want to make sure you guys are aware of. Do not try to ask the same questions more than once. Basically, you're sending doubt energy, and this will confuse the pendulum. This will not give you reassurance. So once you get your answer, move with that. Any spiritual work, I have my own pendulums for that. Your pendulum is connected to your energy, your frequency. So you don't want it to connect to any other negative energies or any energies that are not you, that you have a bag, something you can put it into to cover that. Again, I keep mine around my neck as a necklace. And then depending on where I'm going, then I would put it in a bag to preserve and protect my energy. Hold on. Don't go nowhere. I forgot to tell y'all. You know I make shea butter, right? I mean, I whip the sauce. You see my skin? Flawless. No makeup, boo. So basically what I want you to do is to support small Black-owned businesses like me, the Shea Butter Lady, and get your sauce. Go to www.thesheabutterlady.com and you can order your shea butter today. I have over 22 different fragrances that I'm sure you're going to love. Masculine and feminine alike. Please don't be ashy, boo. Because if I see you, I'm going to tell you to touch yourself.